Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to transfer cryptocurrency from Binance to Coinbase. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to transfer Binance to Coinbase, you'll need to first open up both of your Coinbase and Binance accounts. So let me go ahead and do that. Open up your Binance account by typing in binance.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Similarly, on a new tab, go ahead and open up Coinbase account as well by typing in www.coinbase.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged into both of your accounts, go to your Coinbase account homepage and go ahead and click on this send/receive button at the upper right hand corner of the screen. Click on this receive button from the pop-up, select the cryptocurrency that you'd like to receive, and once you do that, you'll be able to see the QR code and the wallet address displayed on the screen. Simply click on this copy button in order to copy your crypto address and go open up your Binance account. From your Binance account homepage, click on the wallet option over here at the top right hand corner and click on Fiat and Spot. Now select the withdraw button from your Fiat and Spot page. Choose the cryptocurrency that you copied the wallet address from Coinbase, and once you have it, right where it says address, enter the wallet address that you copied. As you can see that the wallet address automatically matched to the corresponding network right beneath. Finally, input the withdrawal amount into the text box and click on withdraw. You may be prompted to complete your two-factor authentication and verify any withdrawal from your email address. Once you click on withdraw, you have successfully moved cryptocurrency from Binance to Coinbase. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.